Hey friends, if you wish to know what a wake source is for a computer and also wish to know why your PC woke up, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. Now, you know that the sleep mode does not completely shut down your computer. The RAM is still active, but it is in a low power state. Now the question is that how will you wake it up? Did you wake it up by yourself? Was it a third party software? Was it USB? What woke it up? And this is very important to know what is controlling your device. So we have a command for it which is power cfg last wake. Simply copy it from the description section of the video. Search for command prompt, just a normal one, not the elevated one, and then paste it here and hit enter. Okay. If it doesn't work, then we will try it in the elevated one. Hit enter and let's see. It says wake history count 1 and wake source count 0. If there was a source, let's say USB, it would have mentioned it here as well. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.